going waterfall hunting today,
Yeah! In today's episode, I'm taking you to the most beautiful waterfalls of North Bali. The north of the island is known for having the most magical waterfalls, and we went to 3 different ones in a day. So stick around to see how it was and everything about them.
We are going to Leke Leke waterfall.
Yeah, so it's like 10 minutes to get to the waterfall.
This is Laura. She's my friend.
Hi!
And she's also a photographer, a wildlife photographer. I'm gonna put her Instagram here so you can check it out. But yeah, let's see how the Leke Leke waterfall is.
The first waterfall of the day is called Leke Leke, and it's a hidden waterfall located only 1 hour from Canggu. The hike down is pretty easy and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. The fee to enter the waterfall is 50k rupiah each, and you can stay as long as you want with no guide needed.
It's so pretty. Wow, it's so pretty.
After enjoying the waterfall for about an hour, we decided to drive to our next stop, Sekumpul Waterfall, which takes around 1 hour and 20 minutes to get from Leke Leke. Sekumpul Waterfall is the tallest waterfall in Bali, with almost 100 meters of fall, and it's considered one of the most beautiful destinations of the island.
Just arrived at the second waterfall of the day, and we are here at Sekumpul waterfall. But yeah, we're super excited to see Sekumpul. Everyone said it's a very pretty waterfall, so come with us.
To explore this waterfall, you need to pay a fee of 200k rupiah per person. That includes a local guide to show you the area. The hike down takes about 25 minutes through the river and the jungle.
Now we are going to the waterfall. Let's go for a swim. It's too cold in here. I gave up on swimming. I'm just gonna walk around and watch Hafa. Just having the best time. Now we are going to the third waterfall of the day. It's 10 minutes away from Sekumpul. So if you come all the way to Sekumpul, you can see more than one waterfall. And it's called Fiji. Sekumpul was beautiful. I don't know which one I prefer, Leke Leke or Sekumpul. I definitely think this Leke Leke is less touristy, so you can have a more peaceful time, less people around you. Here is more touristy, but it's still really pretty. So I don't know, let's see Fiji and see which one is my favorite one. And I didn't bring flip-flops or water shoes, so I'm barefoot. It's okay, it doesn't hurt. Just because I said it doesn't hurt. Yeah, the rock is not very sharp, but it's better to have water shoes. Wow, this is Fiji Waterfall. Fiji is my favorite.
right, Laura?
So beautiful. There's like 4 different falls of water.
So pretty.
Fiji Waterfall was by far my favorite of them all. It's majestic and powerful and not busy at all. We were there for more than an hour and only 2 people passed by. Many people come here only for Sekumpul and skip this one because of the extra hike, so make sure to add it to your list. So the best waterfalls for you to visit in North Bali are, in order, Fiji, Leke Leke and Sekumpul. Thank you for watching and subscribe if you want to see more adventures and my life as a digital nomad.